Welcome back to Spy Garage.
For the venerable British brand, which is currently owned by SAIC, the 2026 mg Motorhome Smart Hybrid marks a substantial conceptual leap into the rapidly expanding smart and sustainable travel market. This fictitious car would combine MG's resurrected design philosophy with state-of-the-art hybrid technology and a host of clever features, making it an appealing choice for a new generation of tech-savvy and environmentally conscious tourists. It represents an ideal in which the process is just as clever and effective as the final destination. The 2026 mg Motorhome Smart Hybrid is expected to have a sleek, contemporary look that deviates from the conventional motorhome's frequently functional style. It would have sleek lines and possibly aerodynamic components to lower drag and improve fuel economy, drawing inspiration from MG's modern passenger cars. MG's modern grille and unique LED lighting trademarks would be prominently shown on the front fascia, giving it a recognizable and elegant appearance while driving. Lightweight composite materials may be used for the bodywork, which would improve dynamic handling and overall efficiency. Its smart hybrid credentials might be enhanced by the thoughtful addition of external power outlets, electric bike or scooter charging connectors, and possibly even retractable solar panels. The motorhome's power plant would be its smart hybrid central component, an advanced plug-in hybrid electric vehicle (PHEV) system that combines a powerful internal combustion engine with a sizable electric motor and battery pack is something that one could expect. With the gasoline engine providing range for longer trips, this would provide a sizable all-electric range for silent, emission-free travel in crowded cities or delicate nature areas. Power delivery would be intelligently optimized by smart energy management systems, which might make use of predictive navigation data to increase efficiency. Regenerative braking would improve sustainability overall by aiding in energy recovery. Inside, the 2026 mg Motorhome Smart Hybrid's cutting-edge technology and clever design would revolutionize the idea of mobile life. The inside would demonstrate how to optimize both space and usefulness in a small package. Living areas may be quickly transformed into dining areas, work areas, or sleeping quarters with the help of adaptable, modular furniture solutions. Without sacrificing comfort or contemporary style, materials would be selected for their sustainability, durability, and lightweight, possibly including natural fibers or recycled plastics. Every element of the onboard experience would be infused with the smart element. The command center would be a central, user-friendly infotainment system that integrated entertainment, navigation, and car diagnostics with a sizable touchscreen display. AI assistance and voice activation would make it simple for residents to manage the lighting, appliances, and climate. In addition to entertainment, this smart system might include real-time weather and traffic updates specifically designed for RV travel, predictive maintenance alarms, and even intelligent routing that takes low-emission zones or charging infrastructure into account. With built-in Wi-Fi hotspots and powerful cellular signal boosters, connectivity would be crucial. Owners might check battery levels or pre-cool the cabin before arriving by using a smartphone app to remotely monitor and manage the vehicle's functions. The 2026 mg Motorhome Smart Hybrid would essentially be a connected, intelligent, and ecologically conscious mobile home rather than only a car for transportation. It would appeal to a new traveler audience that values comfort, freedom, and technology while still wanting to leave as little of an environmental impact as possible. It embodies MG's optimistic outlook for leisure travel in the future.